In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic reference lines in Tableau. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to create interactive and insightful data visualizations. A dynamic reference line allows you to enhance your data analysis by offering visual markers that update based on user input. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Tableau public app if you haven't already. Once you have it open, you'll need to access your worksheet. This is where all of your data will be visualized and manipulated, so ensure you have the correct worksheet open for the data set you're working with. Now, let's begin by dragging the order date field to the columns. This action will set your time dimension, providing the horizontal axis for your data visualization and allowing you to keep a chronological order of events. Next, drag the segment field and the profit field to the rows. This combination will help you break down the profits across different customer segments. It's a vital step for honing in on specific data points within your analysis. We now step into creating interactivity. Click on the drop-down arrow next to any field and select Create Parameter. This parameter will allow for flexibility within your visualization. Name this new parameter Target and choose the integer data type to ensure that the input is numeric. Go ahead and click OK to create it. To truly personalize the visualization for different data points, you'll need to repeat this parameter creation process 3 times in total, with one parameter for each unique segment value you are analyzing. This repetition might seem tedious, but it's crucial for the functionality you'll need later. Once your parameters are ready, navigate to the Analysis menu and create a calculated field. This field will serve as the engine for your dynamic reference line. Give it a meaningful name such as Type Query, and when that's set, click OK to confirm. The next step is to tie this calculation to your visualization. Drag the calculation field you just created to the Detail Marks field within your Tableau worksheet. This action links your dynamic query to the details of your visual display. Proceed to the Analytics pane and drag a reference line over to the pane. You'll now see a prompt to configure its settings. Select the option for Sum Reference Line to establish your line based on a summarization of your calculated field and click OK when ready. Now, adjust the calculation value by switching it to minimum instead of sum. This change allows your dynamic reference line to react more fluidly to the parameter inputs you've created. Finally, to observe the interactive capabilities you've set up, click on your 3 parameters and choose Show Parameter. By typing various values into these parameters, you'll see the reference line on your chart adjust dynamically, offering a powerful tool to visualize trends and patterns. That's it. You've successfully added dynamic reference lines to your Tableau visualization, creating an informative and user-responsive dashboard.